So we start with our aloe vera, and this plant's 3 years old. We bought this plant 3 years ago, and so yesterday we split it up. I got replanted. We did 12 plants, so those will have to grow 3 years, probably 2 years or a year old. This one's 3 years, so today we'll be taking a piece of this one off. This piece over here on this side. That's what we're going to start with. Alright, so we're grinding the frankincense, we're going to grind the myrrh. This time we're going to go to a very fine powder. We have our oils here. So the frankincense fights skin cancer, the myrrh slows down cancer growth. We have the avocado oil. Avocado oil repairs and heals skin. The olive oil here. This has vitamin A, D, K, E, and it fights bacteria. And then we have sweet almond oil. Almond oil has vitamin E, A, fatty acid, zinc, UV protection. We got the coconut oil here. That's also UV protection, skin repair. So we got another key ingredient, cacao butter. Cacao butter, vitamin E, vitamin K, omega-3, fatty acids, promotes collagen, cleans, prevents aging, and reduces wrinkles, makes the skin look younger. So we have our frankincense and myrrh ground up, and right now we're heating up some avocado oil, and we're going to mix in some coconut oil and a little bit of cacao butter. While that's hot, we're going to mix that in with this, and then we're going to do another batch for the aloe vera, and then we'll look at that. We got our coconut oil and our avocado oil, and now we're melting our cacao oil. And once these are melted, they'll stay suspended in the other oils as long as I keep the other oils over 50%. So we have our first oil, and that'll separate. And I used to strain the oil out and make it clear, but I prefer it this way. We sliced up our aloe vera. I went out and grabbed another leaf, so this is 2 leaves we have. So I'm going to take this aloe vera and put it in the blender and blend it up and make it into a gel. And then we're going to heat up some. This time we're going to use avocado oil. This is high temp heat. I'm going to heat it up and then turn the fire off, and as it cools down, we're going to introduce the gel to make a aloe vera oil. So I decided to mix some more oils in there. So we have our aloe vera. Okay, and so that's vitamin A, C, and E, vitamin B12, helps the DNA, increases collagen, makes skin elastic. And on the frankincense and myrrh and the other stuff, we didn't use olive oil this time. We got avocado oil, sunblock, UV, repair, heals. And then we added almond oil, vitamin E, vitamin A, zinc, vitamin A, fatty acids, and then UV protection. And I think I'll add some coconut oil into there too. So I got the aloe vera with the oil on a little bit of heat, and heat it up a little bit, whisk it up. It doesn't mix very well, so then I guess I'm going to have to strain it. So I'll show you after we strain it what we got left. So that's the end of that. This one has a chocolate woody smell, which is actually kind of good. This one has kind of a coconut, kind of apple smell. And that's got quite a lot out of that. I think using 2 stalks is too much. I don't know how long that's going to last. It should last quite a while. And so you can use these as base oils. And this one I use for underarm deodorant, and then I use baking soda. This one I'm going to use because I'm getting old. I'm going to try this one out and see what happens. 2 new oils.